This dictation material has been obtained from Commonwealth Para 29. We are told, move onwards or move back, and men seem always to have desired to move forward. Full stop. No matter what point they reach, they always see something more calling them onwards. Full stop. Out of this desire for a better material life came good roads, big ships, railways, motor cars, and planes. Full stop. So used are we to wonderful planes and to powerful motor cars that we are in danger of undervaluing the railway, that rather out of date method of moving across the country. Full stop. Few people in these days use the railway for pleasure. They use it because it is a useful means of getting somewhere reasonably quickly. Full stop. If we friend tells us that he is going somewhere by plane, we are immediately interested. Full stop. If he tells us that he has bought a handsome new car and is going to such and such a place, we are likely to be interested. Full stop. If he is going overseas in one of the large and modern ships, all his friends will want to see him off. Full stop. Let him go by rail, however, and no one will take the smallest interest in him. Full stop. Railways are all right in their way, but they are not news. Full stop. Yet the railway has played an important part in the greatness of our country. Full stop. Railways have quite a long history. If we go back to the times when the trains were led by horses, but they have a history of only 100 or so years when we speak of the railway in its modern form. Full stop. The present heavy railway with great engines and iron or steel railway lines was developed in this country, and from here it was soon sent to most parts of the world. Full stop. The English built railways were found not only in this country but in other countries overseas, and in a remarkably short time engines were carrying trains full of people and goods at rates as high as those used today. Full stop. These rates do not seem very remarkably today, and used as we are to hearing of planes moving at 500 or 1,000 miles an hour, but they seemed very remarkably to people 100 years ago. Full stop. There was no motor cars, and the horse was built as the quickest, safest, and best means of getting about on roads, but were for the most part very bad indeed. Full stop. This para has been dictated by Kamran, working as PA in Civil Secretariat Lahore, as well as Principal Ajmer Shorthand and Computer College Shadra.